Alright, here, Big Tom with Big Tom's Van, YouTube.com. I'm in the garage today, and it's gonna be cold through the week, and I figured it'd be a good time to make up a batch of beef stew in the Instapot, and I'll put it in little containers for the week. I'll make, 5 or 6 containers, and I just grab one, take it with me to work for my lunch, warm it up in the microwave. I know you can buy it in a can, but the little cans, the little 7.5 cans, are being scarce now because the manufacturer's not making as many, and homemade is better anyway, right? So I put in about it's less than a pound of stew beef, carrots, mushrooms, potatoes, some kale, some Worcestershire sauce, salt and pepper, or pepper and salt. I seared the meat in the avocado oil first. That's a high heat oil, and I added Lipton onion soup mix, and I added brown gravy mix. I also added a can of Swanson beef broth and a can of water. Now it's on the max line. This is a 3 quart. After it's done, I'm going to add some green beans and some corn and just kind of let it sit there, and I'll have a good healthy lunch thing going on. So I'll go ahead and get it started. I can run this on the inverter out in the van, but I already got it started in here, and I'm here working on the van today, so I'll use the regular electricity. I've already sauteed and added the other ingredients. I didn't put onion in it because I used the onion soup mix, so to give the onion flavor. Let's make sure we put it on sealing, and I'm gonna use the meat stew button. That says 35 minutes on high pressure. And it's kind of medium, and it will keep warm when it's done. It's on now, so in 35 minutes I'll have stew, and I'll come back and show you a presentation of some in the bowl, and I'll give you an idea of that. But it's basically, I spent about 20 minutes preparing everything. It's going to cook for 35 minutes. I don't have to cook it all day long on low heat like you'd normally do. So, saves time, saves electricity, saves money. Once it gets up to pressure, it's going to cook for 35 minutes, and we'll have some beef stew. Big Tom's Van. Be sure to subscribe. Click that bell, and you'll get a notification when I do some more interesting things, or things that are interesting to me. You might find interesting also. Thank you for watching.